I'm gonna shoot you.
Yeah. Jumpin', them boys up to something.
Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This week up almost about 600 bucks and had back-to-back wins, no losses this week. I'm going to show you how I did that this week. Before we get into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to join and get alerts on all the future videos, and make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on social media and also have the Robinhood referral link right here. You can use that link to join and get a free stock for both of us. Next thing, let's go ahead and jump into the trades. So I did call out JPM. So I did a video on Wednesday. I did that midweek recap. So if you saw that trades before that, that's the first half. This one's won everything after Wednesday. So I'll call that JPM. Now I saw JPM coming up. I saw financials recovering. So I called it out on the low and was just looking for that overnight profit. So being that JPM was a nice profit, 43% profit overnight hold. And I did run out of day trades on Wednesday, so I did hold to the next day, but I did see financials running more. So that was a nice $52 profit on that. So entry was 118 and exit at 170. It did run just a little bit more, but I sold at the top, saw the top forming, and I sold there. And the next thing was TMUS. So I've been in this for about 2-3 weeks, maybe a little bit more now. And I sold out on TMUS. Let's look at that chart on that. So I did see it making nice moves all week. Let's go ahead and look at the 10-day chart. So it was making that move, mainly saw it on the yearly, coming up on the TTM script. I'll make another video on the TTM script, but I saw it coming up, forming that nice candle pattern, breakout pattern. But yesterday I saw it breaking out to 58. That was my big resistance of 58. That's my profit target. Whenever I hit my profit target, I wait for a little bit run after that, and then I look to sell when as soon as it starts showing any signs of pullback. So it did go to 58.20. I sold at 58 area, so I did get out of the TMUS, and right now today it is it came down to that 57 support. That's been the support all week, bouncing off of that. So it's a good sign. I do see this going to 60, but I held this a little bit too long. My entry was early, so it did get out of that. You know, a nice 23.18% return, about 70 bucks profit on that. Next thing, I sold all my BAC. So Bank of America, I did get out of both of them, and I had 100 shares on BAC. My entry on that was 29.39. So I saw that it was very oversold. Let's go ahead and look at the chart really quick on 30 days. So I did see it all the way down here, making that triple bottom almost, and didn't break below 29. So I got in as soon as I saw the reversal coming up, and got in at the 29.39 and sold at 30.12. Now waited a little bit too long to get out and didn't sell at the top, but about 10 cents away, so not too bad. Saw it coming down and I took profits there. Nice profit on that swing trade on 100 shares, about 73 bucks profit on that. And next one was my calls that I had for long term. I had to October, actually, October 19th at 27 calls, so way in the money, almost $4 into the money. So being that, I had a nice big profit on that total, about 26.56% return, $238 return. So I did add on the low one more, and I picked it up rock bottom and sold it, and there's a nice profit on that. And the next thing was yesterday, I picked up AMD. I saw AMD make that highs, all-time highs yesterday at that 1597, and broke through all-time highs and came crashing down. Saw a lot of profit taking, and also expected a market pullback. And usually whenever AMD goes up like this, it does come crashing down really fast. But AMD is a hot stock right now. People are getting in, a little overbought right now, having a nice run. But I do see more of a pullback for short term. So that's why I picked up a put right here at the 1502 area, and then came all the way down. Markets were down, futures were down, and today came down all the way to 1430th morning. And that's why in the options alert, I put in that I was going to get out. I alerted it pre-market. I said I'm going to get out of my AMD put right after markets open, and that's what I did. Within 5 minutes of the market open, I sold my AMD put and got out of that, and that was a nice overnight profit. So AMD got in at 0.77, out at 1.09. So that was a nice 42% profit overnight, yielding 37 bucks. So that was it for the week. Other than that, I picked up LRCX for the long term. I did see a pretty big drop recently on the 30-day, so I saw this come down from 205, broke below big 200 support. I just have these alerts. Those are yellow lines. Those are my alerts. And broke below 200 support and came all the way down here. But right now, it's in that consolidation phase of the lows. So you see that movement up and down between 185 and 190. So as soon as it breaks out of 190, I'm expecting it to go past 200 by the end of the month, maybe even more. Markets are very hot right now, and this is a great for long term. Looking at the long term chart, I wanted to get this before, like a couple months ago, but markets ran up, and right now coming down to a nice price at that 185 area. So my entry was 185.75. And CGC, this is a marijuana stock, and they had nice news with Canada yesterday, and they approved it over there, so it's gonna see nice growth on this. More of a speculation, but I do have my entry at 30.54. So more of a speculation for long term, but I do see good growth on CGC. More of a new stock, but I picked it up for more of a speculation for long term. So I only have 10 shares on that, and only have 5 shares on LRCX. And at that 190 break, I'm looking to add more on that. Other than that, I didn't see too many trades, so I wasn't online in the voice chat for about an hour or so, and I called it a week, because whenever you have big profits like that, it's really good to just call it a week. I didn't see any other trades forming, star markets just moving sideways. And other one I did want to pick up, which I've been missing all week at that 58.30 mark, was MU. That's Micron. They do have earnings coming up. That's the earnings is going to be on 20th of June this month, so next Wednesday. And I did want to pick it up at that low 58. And if you look at the weekly chart, it's just been bouncing between that 58 to 60 and breaking out today. So I did want to pick that up, but I missed my alert. So I'm not going to chase it. I'm going to wait for it to come down again today or next week. So that's it for the week. About $600 profit this week, a little more give or take. And great run, big market run this week. SPY broke that 275 resistance and flew all the way to 278.28 yesterday. And coming down, a little small pullback in the markets, but I do see markets finishing green this week and following with more of a pullback and sell-off next week. I see markets pulling back SPY to about 275 to test that support, and looking for a market pullback next week. So being that SPY is pretty overbought, had a big run, I'm looking for it to come down to about 275, maybe 274 area, and looking to pick up long term. The last one I want to pick up is CME. Had nice profits on this last time, if you followed me on this trade. And looking at the yearly chart, it did break out over that 165 area, flew all the way to 174. So being that's coming down to that 170 area, testing that support today, it did break below for a brief period. Looking for 165 to 167 entry on that. And other than that, I'm just taking it easy. Gonna enjoy the weekend. Nice big run, big profits this week. And if you want to get live alerts like this in my chat room, you can join a membership on pinnacletrading.us. That's a website, and you can actually get a 1 week free trial. If you scroll down on the main page, click join now button, and you can join the membership directly. If you go over to the membership section, we have month-to-month quick month-to-month pricing, no contracts, nothing like that. Simple month-to-month pricing, and gold is your most popular plan right now, and the diamond includes one-to-one mentorship access. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button next to it to stay notified, and make sure to support Pinnacle Trading on social media. Hope everybody has a great weekend, a lot more money to be made next week, and I'll see you guys next week on Monday.